I think, what we were looking for when we started the process of talking to people about redoing our home is that we wanted a company that could do the ordering of all the materials as well as install. We wanted a one-stop shop. One of the reasons why we chose Elite Home Services, we were not going to have to deal with a plumber, an electrician. They did everything from the floors to the painting to the custom built cabinets to the doors to the kitchen to the bathrooms.
They gave us ideas about designs that enhanced our kitchen, enhanced our bathroom. It was really collaborative working with Jerry and Albert.
After the first couple hours of picking out all the fixtures, all the cabinetry, I was starting to get a little bit tired. But they would not rest until they had gone through every different option for us to make sure that we were going to be happy.
I really also appreciated how every item that we were ordering was line itemed.
Because they were so meticulous at the beginning, we were able to come in exactly on budget.
And on time, even with our additions.
Jerry and his team at Elite Home Services were always on time. They work 6 days a week.
Whoever would think a total remodel of a home would be almost a joyous experience, and it was.
We consider ourselves evangelists for Elite Home Services, so we tell everyone that we meet if they're looking for these type of services, they really should consider Jerry and his team at Elite Home Services.